Goodnotes 7 takes a more minimalist approach than Goodnotes 6. The third toolbar is now tucked away and only appears when you select a tool. And you can hide it again with a tab. Your tabs are still at the top, and if you prefer working with everything closer to your hands, you can move the entire toolbar to the bottom of the screen. The toolbar itself is fully customizable. You can choose exactly which tools appear by removing the ones you never use. And streamlining your writing tools in the same way. And simply reordering them also works. Accessories are hidden by default, but if you rely on them often, you can pin them to the toolbar so they're always visible. For the sake of this course, I'll add all of them so they're easy to reach. You can also personalize the undo and redo buttons. They sit on the left by default, but you can move them to the right if that feels more natural. And finally, Goodnotes 7 introduces a sidebar, which we'll explore later in this course. You can place it on either side of the screen. I prefer it on the right, so that's where I'll keep it.